Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna, aka Sour.Castic. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you the pieces that I bought at New Yorker. As you remember in my second video, me and my friend Glenda actually went to Hamburg to make a small trip and just to do some window shopping that didn't end up well. So yeah, I'll be showing you the pieces that I bought, and the shirt that I'll be showing in the video is actually from the men's section, and I'll be showing you how you can wear them, or how you can wear it in 4 ways if it's cold, rainy, or summer season. Because in my situation, I like buying stuff that you can wear all year round. So for me, it's a waste if the shirt is just like stock in the cabinet, you know. And it looks like an oversized t-shirt for a woman because it's from a man. I bought an XL size, and it's actually really comfortable for women. So yeah, let's get started. And don't forget, at the end of the video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on my next video. I'll see you soon, guys.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now
Walk it like I talk it. 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 You walk it like I talk it. 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 Hey, walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
Northside coolin' shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up out my face. And my ex keep calling sweater, she be in the way. And I need a day ring.